Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and today looks like we're doing number 187. Start with this row here. We're missing a 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 9 up here, so 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 there, so 5, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing a 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. A 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8, an 8 here, oh, and a 6 here. So that makes this our 4, 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so 4, a 2 here, so 3 and 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering these two, so our 6 has to be here. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box, we're missing a 3 and a 5, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. To finish off this box, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. And to finish off this square, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so 1, 2 there, so 4 and 2. That was a quick one today. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.